Today, we are diving into the world of hobbits and their unique lifestyle. They prioritize to simple joy of life in the tranquil shine. Hobbits love strolling through the lush greenery of the Shire, and we can all embrace this habit. Daily walk have incredible benefits. Walking is a low-impact exercise that improves cardiovascular health, boosts mood, and aids in weight management. I started talking daily walk and it's been life-changing. I have lost weight, my energy levels are up, and I feel more positive overall. Hobbits take joy in cooking and sharing delicious food. Cooking at home allows you to control the quality of your food, leading to better health outcomes. Today, we are going to prepare a simple and nutritious Hobbit-inspired meal using fresh ingredients. Hobbits value their relationships and spend quality time with loved ones. We can all benefit from this. I realized that I was spending too much time on my phone and not enough time with my loved ones. I made a conscious effort to connect more, and it's made a world of difference in my happiness. Hobbits find contentment in the little pleasure of life and practice gratitude. This habit can transform your outlook. I have incorporated this habit into my own life, and it's had a profound impact on my well-being. Taking a moment each day to reflect on the things I am thankful for has made me a happier person. You don't have to overhaul your life overnight. Begin with one habit, inspired habit, and gradually build from there. Consistency is key. I challenge each of you to pick one habit, inspired habit, and start implementing it today. Share your progress in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey to a healthier and happier life. Embrace the habit way of life and find joy in the simple things. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvement in your health and happiness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, take care.